Off. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't want to get up. I need coffee. Oh, it's so cold.
Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you tryna get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you tryna get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like, why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way. Flow is mean, but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seem right. It's my fucking team, like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face me acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Reppin' 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you tryna get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you tryna get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved.
Alright guys, so my workout is finally done. I'm home. No, the beer is not for me. It's for someone else. I only eat healthy. So I'm home and I'm going to drink this whey protein by Women's Best. And I just mix it with some water, sometimes some milk, just to make it a little bit more flavorful. And I just mix this up and I drink this within 30 minutes of my workout. The other thing I want to show you is for lunch later today, I started to get these like meal prep services. This one's by Fresh and Lean, and I really like these. They're actually very tasty. They tell you how many grams of protein is in each one. They also give you instructions on how to heat them up. You literally just pop them in your microwave and you're good to go. And then on the back you'll see that they also give you like a full nutrition breakdown. And then also if you look at the like the ingredients, like they're all just natural ingredients. It's all like organic, cage-free stuff, whatever you want to say, like no preservatives, nothing. So, and they're really, really tasty. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this vlog. I'm just going to kind of get ready for the day, take a shower, maybe take a few mirror selfies, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I've only been working out like seriously maybe for the last 2 to 3 months-ish, like really seriously, so I still have a long way to go. If you follow me on Instagram, I oftentimes post on my stories like before and after photos and things like that, so follow me over there. I still have a long way to go for the type of gains that I want. I just want more like booty gains, I guess, but you know, I'll keep doing these workouts and go from there. So let me know if you like these vlogs, and I will see you next time. Bye!